hear of a flagship project, what comes to your mind? For me, the first thing that comes to my mind when I hear the term flagship project could be a head of state who has recently been elected into office, and they have a vision, and now they're using the flagship project to actualize their vision. A flagship project should not be only concerned with heads of state. All of us should have a vision. Anyone who has a vision should devise ways and means of how to actualize that vision. And one of the ways that vision can be actualized is riding on a flagship project. So at the Faculty of Engineering at the University of Nairobi, a flagship project for the Dean is being unveiled this week. This week begins the 16th of September 2024 is when we are going to unveil the Deans of Engineering's flagship project. There are 3 pillars. One of the pillars deals with the academic staff. The second pillar deals with non-academic staff and infrastructure. And the third pillar, which is the one I want to start with here, deals with students, whereby the students identify a problem that affects them, and then they come up with ways and means of fixing them. So we want to introduce pillar number 3 for the students, the final year students, who will be working at the various projects. These projects are, number 1, audit of boreholes within all campuses and administration areas within the University of Nairobi. 2, characterization of water quality from all boreholes within the University of Nairobi campuses, hostels and administration areas. 3, profiling of all buildings with asbestos cement materials within the University of Nairobi's campuses, hostels and administration areas. Number 4, a historical preview of the development of final withdrawal from market of asbestos cement as a building material. Number 5, documentation of the standard protocols of demolition, transportation, and final disposal of asbestos cement materials at the National Environmental Management Authority guidelines, NEMA. Then we have a group of students, 5 of them, who will be working under the title of Innovative Model of Improving Students' Experience on Campus, an engineering students initiative under For Us by Us, FUBU initiative. They'll be looking at their hostels, the male and women's hostel. They will also be looking at the American Wing building. They'll be looking at the mechanical engineering block. Several students have already expressed interest and they're already on board. Welcome on board, where students sort out their problems, they identify them and solve them. For Us by Us, FUBU, an initiative by the Faculty of Engineering, University of Nairobi. The timelines are as shown. The activity starts with the proposal development, student sensitization activities, approvals, corporate affairs engagement, seed donor engagement, signing of the contract, creating a vote, launching, implementation, monitoring and evaluation, and there will be an annual conference with the stakeholders. And the whole of these activities, you start from September this year to August next year, so that we have a full academic year with our students. The example of a required data for a building, where we are looking at the age of the structure, the plinth area, what's the height of the structure, which are the unique features, where is the location, and surrounding topography. For example, the immediate environment. Are there any trees? Is there a power station? Is there a cafeteria? All that data is very important for the project to be complete, even both for academic and also for data that would be required. We also need the layouts of these drawings, as illustrated with an example there, and any other attachments that will describe the actual location where we have defects, and these plans will help us quantify the areas required. This should be as comprehensive as possible. This is For Us, by Us, an initiative by the Faculty of Engineering, University of Nairobi.